Okay, so we're going to make up some more and reload this and fill up this last bit. So I just wanted to bring you along to show you, because I don't want to leave you out of my fun. I'm going to do it so that it's not so full in this, and then I'll add a top up to it, and hopefully that will stop the bowing happening. Let's hope anyway, that's the plan. That's my metallic blue. I think that's enough, but let's just go in with a little bit more to make sure it's opaque, because the other is not opaque. Excuse my chest at the moment, guys. Now I'll put the laser powder. That's enough. I love the laser stuff. This metallic blue with the luminescing. First off, I'll level up this door. Nice, Kelly. And then we'll go around here. Can you see? Let's see if I can. Then we'll go over here. Oi, calm it down. So that's that done. I'll bring you back tomorrow. Howdy folks. I'm just going to come in here and unveil this. I'm going to add some more here, because this was the most important thing, whether or not I need to re-pour it as well. So I'll unmold this one. I need to try and keep the videos separate for different items because it gets confusing. Okay, that seems to have worked. And we've now got the same thickness. Nice. That's good. Needs a little bit of a sand down. Just on those edges to take off any rough edges. But that is wonderful. So I don't need to do that again, which is helpful. Isn't that pretty? It's come up lovely, isn't it? I do like that. And I'm thinking I'll put the UVDF sticker on here. You think? How did
she works with
okay, so I've mixed up my resin.
I don't know.
I've got 220 cc there. And I'm going to use this opaque neon pigment
in the last video
for this last, hopefully fill this last bit. I'm hoping it won't bulge out at the sides, but I don't know yet until we try it.
While threatening to harm Neon. That's my guy that's
I've got E-Toxic Tea Lounge in the background talking. One of my favourite YouTubers on the subject. One of. There's my sis rant about that ish I love, but she hasn't been making content recently on this community, so. But E-Toxic is good. One of the best out there.
No, I wasn't hearing what I was just hearing. Somebody said, did she say, ask my ninja that's buried in the author like this? So that was a confirmation. And All About the Tea said yes. Ask the ninja that's buried. Wow, shaking my head. Yeah, it's over for her. Y'all really think so? I think not. This girl get away with a lot. Yahweh, yeah, the gospel rapper. She just confessed? He's not a good influence, girl. What are you? Is this Miss Golly threatening to harm Neon? This is why none of those... We're about to get into the clip. Pay attention to what is being said. Remember in the...
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside, when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument, or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument, or just...
Do y'all think that her and this Ryan trainer might have some things going on behind the scenes?
Turquoise.
Because you just never know nowadays. Everybody that Krishan be around and linking up with, she always end up being with them or something. So, do y'all think that Ryan Garcia was probably on her, oh, let me, try it out or whatever?
Wowza. That is so cool. I love that. There's a few little bubbly bits in there, but I'm really happy with that. And then to complete the job, let's go around this side so we can see it from this angle. I'm going to file that down gradually until I get it right to fit perfectly. But anyway, that's my unmoulding for today. Thanks for joining me, guys. Much love, breathe easy. See you again soon. Bye.